Now students, you can understand what is human capital formation and how it helps in the economic development of the country, that both should be used together, both should be taken together. And this was also confirmed by the report given by the Dues Bank and the World Bank, that these has given the report that definitely there will be rise in the per capita income of the country, and also in education sectors the education level of education is also rising in India. And also in India the number of educated persons are increasing, and a number of human capital formation is also rising, and definitely it will enhance the economic development of that country also. And now India's income growth and GDP of the country, the level of income of the country is also rising because of the human capital formation. Now students, what is the importance of human capital formation? Human capital formation हमारे लिए क्यों important है, देश के लिए क्यों important है? इससे सिर्फ इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट या इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ ही नहीं होती कंट्री की, बट ऑल्सो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल पर्सन ऑल्सो. So what are the importance of human capital formation? Number one is effective use of physical capital. Yes, the physical capital, whatever the natural resources are available in our country, whatever the resources are available in the country, this will be utilized properly by the human capital, good human capital. The available resources should be used in a proper way by the efficient use of the particular resources, and this will be possible by the human capital only. If there will be good human capital, so they will use the effective use of the फिजिकल कैपिटल. हमारे पास जो कैपिटल अवेलेबल है, जो फिजिकल कैपिटल है, जो मशीनरीज है, उसका हम बेस्ट यूज कर सकते हैं, प्रोडक्टिविटी इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. एंड with the effective use of this physical capital, the productivity in the country is also increases, and this the income generating capacity of the workers is also rising. Next is the higher productivity and production. Yes, through human capital formation, we are not able to attain the use of physical capital, but also it increases the efficiency and also productivity of the workers. That means with the help of on the job training, with the help of education and providing them good health, proper health facilities, the person become efficient, and he will do work more consciously, and he will his performance increases, and that increases the productivity also. So because of this human capital formation, the productivity rises, and definitely the production also rises. And when the production rises, the GDP of the country is also rising. Next is invention, innovations and technological improvement. Yes, with the increase in the number of human capital, that is human capital increases because we are giving more importance on education. We are providing education to more and more people. Now we are not thinking of the illiterate country, but there is a country where we are having number of educated persons. Now very less illiterate persons are there in the country, and when the number of educated person increases, so they will understand the new technology properly, they will understand the new technology, and also they are able to do innovation. Nowadays in our country also the continuously the innovations are going on. So because of human capital formation, inventions are possible, innovations should be there, and technical improvement should be there. Previously we are doing the work traditional method, now we are using the technology. In everything, every work we are using technology only because of human capital. हम एजुकेटेड हैं, हम पढ़े लिखे हैं, हम जानते हैं कि हमें ट्रेनिंग है हर चीज़ की. तो हम जब अब टेक्निकल इंप्रूवमेंट हो रहा है, हम टेक्नोलॉजी से काम कर रहे हैं, हम कोई मैनुअल वर्क नहीं कर रहे. And we are ready to understand the new technology. We can understand to take the changes. We are accepting now changes that is happening day by day. Innovations are going on, and in our country also the innovations new product will be going on, new inventions will be going on. This is possible only because of human capital formation. Next is the modernization of attitude. Yes, with the increase in number of educated people, with the health facilities, by providing proper information and by giving them trainings and jobs, etc. So it will change the outlook of the person. He will be now modernized. He is not thinking traditionally. Means जो पुराने विचारधारा है अब वो बदल गई है. अब the people are now modern. They are thinking their outlook will be changed. Now they are ready to accept the new technology. अब वो अपनी नई चीज़ों को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए they are now ready. They are not fearing of using that outdated technology. That means they are now getting interested in advanced technology. So because of human capital formation, their attitude of the person is changing. Now they are modernized, and it will be beneficial for the country also. Human capital formation also increases the life expectancy. Life expectancy भी बढ़ी है, means life expectancy, the average life of the people. अब पहले जो एवरेज लाइफ थी अब वो कई गुना बढ़ गई है. Why it increases? Because now people are aware, people are conscious, people are educated. They are thinking ki which is good and which is bad for him, and he is taking care of his health also. He is spending on getting good hygienic condition, clean drinking water, better health facilities, and also especially more important is education. So because of this, there will be increase in the life expectancy of the people. Now people will take care of their life, they are taking nutritional diets, they are proper taking care of their health. So इससे क्या हुआ है कि लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी बढ़ी है. अब हमारी जो एवरेज लाइफ है वो पहले के कंपैरिजन में कई गुना बढ़ गई है. Then improves the quality of life. Definitely quality of life बढ़ी है because of human capital formation. Now human capital will increase their earning capacity, their performance increases, their productivity increases, and because of increase in income, increase in productivity, definitely their standard of living also rises, and now they are able to get quality life to their families, to the persons who are attached with him, and also for himself also. Now they are living the quality life. So the life quality life will be rising. It improves the quality of life. पहले जो रहन सहन था अब वो कई बिल्कुल चेंज हो गया है. अब लोग स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग अपना इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं, एंड दे आर नॉट लिविंग बेटर देन प्रीवियस. Now it controls population growth also. Human capital formation is also helpful for checking the population explosion. That is, in our country, it is the biggest problem that population explosion is there. That हमारे देश की जो population है, जनसंख्या वो continuously बढ़ रही है, and we are in the at the top of the world in the population के मामले में हम सब बहुत आगे हैं. Now people are aware, people are conscious that they should not increase the size of the family. They have to control the population, and because it is possible only because of education. Now people can understand the harmful effects of increasing population. They don't now they are thinking of family planning measures also, and they don't want to have more than two or one or two children. That means they are thinking that they should decrease the size of the family, and they should control the population of the country. Then only we can get the benefit of our higher income, and also we can increase the standard of living, so that we are providing good quality life to our family also, because the number of people depends on us also decreasing. So that is why the population control is also done by the human capital formation. With the help of human capital formation, now we are able to control the population growth. And so these are the importance of human capital formation. ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन सिर्फ कंट्री के लिए ही बेनिफिशियल नहीं है, बल्कि इट विल इंक्रीज द पर्सन्स, पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल पर्सन्स आइडेंटिटी, देयर लाइफ, द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग, एंड डेफिनेटली दे आर इंक्रीजिंग अर्निंग कैपेसिटी, and the productive capacity also rises. Now he should think properly in a better way, and also he finds opportunities for his progress in future also. So this is the importance of human capital formation.